guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. Today we are going to be talking about November's Boxycharm box. And if this is your first time watching one of my Boxycharm reviews, just know that this is not paid, sponsored, or anything. I pay for my own subscription box, and I just like to review the products that I get. And also, just like a little side note, I don't know if you could tell, but I have colored contacts in, and these are actually prescription contacts, which I typically wear glasses like on a daily, and sometimes contacts when I don't feel like wearing glasses. So yes, I need prescription to see. I am gonna link where I got these contacts, and I did happen to get a coupon code for you guys, which I will link below as well for you if you're interested. I believe it is 10% off, and currently right now they have 50% off on their site, so I will link that below if you're interested. I got like a green colored contact, and I'll name the exact color and everything in the description box, but totally random. I'm just wearing these contacts today and kind of wanted to share the love. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into November's Boxycharm. The first thing that I received in my box this month was this little eye palette, and it's the Celestial Thunder eye palette by Dominique Cosmetics. Really pretty and very vibrant, and I am wearing the colors now. My eyeshadow look is strictly from this palette, so yeah, it's very bold and pigmented. I typically like to stay safe with my eyeshadow colors, and sometimes I'll, do a little something abnormal for me. My thoughts, nothing stood out to me other than the color, but there is some nice pigmentation in the palette, so I do appreciate that. The blendability was great, so overall, I'm happy with receiving this palette. And the value of this palette is $35. Next thing that I received is this eye treatment. It is by Juice Beauty. It's their Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle eye treatment. Let me open it up so you can see. Looks like this, and you just kind of pump it out, and it just comes out, and you just dab it under your eyes and actually all around your eye. I have tried it for a week now, and I like it. I haven't noticed much of a difference in my eyes. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how long it takes, but I'll keep using it and see, what happens. Am I happy with this pick? Yeah. I'm happy. I'm not disappointed. I'm neutral. How about that? I'm neutral about the eye treatment. And this bad boy retails for $50, so that's like double the amount that your subscription would be. The next thing that I received in my box was this highlighter, and it is by Becca Cosmetics, and it is the Shimmering Skin Perfector. And the shade that I got it in is Vanilla Quartz. And it is a little bit lighter than what I would typically get for my highlighters, but I like it. It's not bad. It's very, very shimmery and glowy and highlightery. I just wish I had gotten a different color, maybe more golden, but I do love it, and I can appreciate the highlight, the extreme highlight of this product. So I'm very happy that I received, and I got to test it out, and I don't think that it looks bad on me. So this highlighter retails at $38. So again, like, you're getting a really good deal. Moving on to probably one of my favorite things that I received in this box. These masks, as you can see, they're open because I used them, of course, duh. And these are morning and evening goggle eye masks set. So the evening is supposed to repair and relax, and the morning is supposed to brighten and protect. I was not expecting to notice the difference as much as I did with those. When I put on the evening mask, and you know, I let them each sit for 15 minutes. I put my evening mask on at night in the evening, and my morning mask in the morning, and tried them out. And it's just like a little eye mask, and you feel it, like it feels really nice on your skin and cooling and relaxing. And afterwards you take it off, rub it in, and it was really nice. The next day when I woke up, like my eyes, I didn't feel like I had dark circles under my eyes or anything. Like, I was really amazed. And even after I put the morning eye mask on, my skin just looked even better. I was actually really happy with that set. This set retails for $12, which I think for the results, the instant results, to me, I thought it was a good deal. The final item that I received in my Boxycharm box were these Boxycharm brush set, and this is a foundation brush set. Love that. I can't speak. This is a foundation brush set, and this is a powder brush set. I typically don't use these types of like stiff brushes, but they're really soft, and this actually applied the foundation pretty good, except for on my nose. I had to go back in with a sponge and just kind of even it out, but everywhere else it applied very well, and the powder actually applied well with this brush as well. So I don't know if I would purchase them on my own, but it's not bad, especially if you're a collector of brushes. You know, it's always good to have a variety of different brushes in case you lose some, or just to change it up, or maybe you haven't cleaned your brushes and you have your backup brushes, you know, whatever. So again, another item that I'm neutral about. I would have been happy without them, but I don't mind having them. This brush set retails at $35. So overall, November's box was a pretty pricey one. If you add everything up, it totals to $170. My thoughts on this box, I would say that I'm satisfied with what I got, because the majority I was happy with, and 2 of the items I was neutral about. I wasn't disappointed about anything. I'm curious if you guys have a subscription box and what your thoughts are on what you received. Are you happy with what you got? Are you gonna try any of these items? Are you gonna get a subscription box? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from moi. As always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.